Gates open, that up, and racing Pure Energy draws for your lead. Moving up by the release entry number 4, and that's Celestial. Running in between runners, Diop Jade. Moving a party outside is Small Star. Step Up comes next, running by the release Prince Dugo. Heading towards the last 600, Pure Energy leading the field is Small Star. Now throwing a challenge on the outside. Diop J drops back in third by the Real Celestial. Step Up. Moving a party outside, routing towards the last 450 is Small Star in command by the Real Pure Energy. Step Up, joining them as they swing for home. Is Small Star running at the center by the Real Pure Energy. Step Up is on the outside with 200 to go. This one is Small Star by about 3 lengths. Step Up now running in second on the outside, Pure Energy, and leading the finish line, Small Star. Step Up, and finally Small Star. Step Up, Pure Energy, then comes number 4 Celestial, and Prince Dugo for your Pentafecta.
Okay, 6, 7, 8, 4, 3.